guys, so we're gonna be starting up our channel soon. We're gonna start off with a video where we're gonna go kayaking / canoeing. Don't make fun of my video, okay? This is like my first time doing YouTube in like a long time.
I've never done this before. It's hot. I like iced coffee.
Okay, but anyways, we're about to start up a channel, and we need you guys to follow us. We're dating, obviously, if you didn't know. We're not sure if we're going in the canoe or not. Alright, someone's dying. Trista, got anything to say?
I'm scared.
Yeah, this is her first time. I have my own kayak and stuff. And so does my dad. But this is Trista's first time going kayaking / canoeing. Because we're not sure which one we're going on. Why did it mean to bump?
I was really focused. I'm scared. I want that one. That one looks safe.
Trista! Having smaller one, you're in more of a smaller space. It's easier. She doesn't know what she's talking about.
I've been on one thing before. Okay, so I'm really nervous. No, I need some.
I'm thirsty. Hey, my coffee. Okay, we're doing too much video.
Hey, wait, my
My.
my family got married down here.
Okay, guys, we'll get back to you when we get on the boat.
Ow.
Hey, you guys like a drink yet? You're just... Lord help me.
Ew.
It's coffee.
Wait.
She's vaping. Okay, we'll be back to you. Peace.
Stop.
You drink a lot of it. Hey.
What?
You just said why. So,
I'm good at this. I'm like,
so how do you like it so far?
it's fun.
You ready to do it Saturday?
Yeah, we should vlog that too.
So guys, if you don't know, this YouTube channel is just gonna be me and her. We're gonna try to do at least definitely one video a week. But we need you guys to help us out. And we're gonna do this, we're gonna try to go and build our way back up of our relationship and say, oh yeah, we started when we were 15. So yeah, I'm kind of steering off something.
I hope you're recording yourself right now.
I think I am. I'm looking at it. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go.
Boy.
What if I just flipped over?
I would laugh and video it so this would get views. Trista, would you die for me?
Yeah.
Like if someone said I either push your boyfriend off the volcano, into the volcano, or I push you off, what would you do?
Push me off.
Aww. You're probably lying.
I want you to live, and you better not like any other girl though.
Doesn't sound like a promise. Guys, she hurt me.
I really didn't mean to.
Whatever. We were pulling in here with the kayaks, and she pulls in and lasers my arm with the edge of the kayak right there. It freaking hurt.
My butt is soaked. I don't know what to do. We're at church.
You guys suck.
We're excited about this channel.
Yeah, like, this is my idea.
We already done like a lot of stuff together. Like we went to Kings Island, we went tubing.
A lot. We've went swimming. We've went, you name it. And I told her, I was like, well, since we do all these things, why not get it on video so we can always look back on it? And then when we get like older and we live together and stuff, and have a family, we can have a banger channel, dude. I'm joking, that was really cringy. I'm trying to be cringy.
A banger channel.
No, I was just trying to be cringy on purpose.
We're going down to this little creek thing.
For real, dude. Like, you guys gotta subscribe, We're
gonna get our school to subscribe to us. I have my own channel, but like,
I told her, I was like, you have your own channel. We always post it by each other. So why not? And we're gonna call us what?
I can post my makeup video on here.
Wait a second. You should do that one first.
Okay.
Wait, hold on a second.
No, this one first, and then our makeup video.
Wait, so we're naming this Evan T, right?
I don't know.
Do the low. Do the low.
I can't. Oh, there you go.
I'm bad at it. I'm...
It's like you're turning a wheel. It's like... You don't whip. You just go... No, you hold this. Like, you act like you're turning a wheel, like.
Man, I shake so
that.
much.
Like you're turning a wheel.
Bro, I like have shaking.
Kinda, yeah. You just. I'm not good at it either, so don't even think I think I'm better. For the makeup video, you best be liking and subscribing, because.
Dude, I honestly look really weird in it. Like, I look like a straight up.
Don't fall.
Oh gosh.
Evan! See, that's what I mean. Oh gosh, I'm shaking. I can't drop my phone.
Oh my gosh, I look like a. What should I
Drag
say?
queen.
Ew.
You're good, Evan. I'm recording you. Good job.
Oh no!
Ooh. Oh wow, they're awesome. Evan.
That one was the biggest one we found first.
Where'd he go?
He's big.
Got. Oh.
Almost.
Wait. Oh wow, we're so cool.
Oh!
Oh!
The reason why I don't do it is one time it pinched me and held it on my finger.
Hey, where's his other pincher?
I must have lost it. They lose them sometimes. I took off my sliders, so we call it callback.
Ah, it's creepy looking.
Evan's like, wait, at least I kept saying, just
I'm
grab
gonna
it
let
with
him
your
go so he
hands.
don't die.
Evan's like,
Okay, we gotta end the video, remember?
Wait, what do we say?
Well,
Well, guys, that looks like a wrap for this video. Our next video, we don't know when. We'll definitely post once a week. Okay.
yeah,
But
like and subscribe.
like and
That's what you
subscribe.
mean.
What else? Yeah, just do it because it'll make it more funner. Funner's not a word. Don't judge me. If we get enough likes, we might post that makeup video because we already have it on here. We will end up posting it anyways,
Yeah,
probably.
okay.
All right, bye.
Baby.
no, I